Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through how to enable the option that lets people find you on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your phone number all from your PC. This feature is part of the new update, and it's a great way to make sure your friends and contacts can easily connect with you. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. If you're logged in, you'll see your home feed right away. Now look toward the left side of the screen and click on the More icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your account preferences and privacy controls. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. This section is where most of your account's visibility and interaction options are located. Once you're there, select Discoverability and Contacts. This is the area where you can control whether other users can find you using your phone number or email. Depending on your account's security settings, X might ask you to confirm your identity by entering your password. Simply type it in, then click Next to continue. Now you'll see an option labeled Let people who have your phone number find you on X. To enable this, simply check the box next to the option. This means that anyone who has your number saved in their contacts and uses X can find and follow you more easily. Once you've made that change, there's no need to hit any extra save button. X automatically updates your settings instantly. You can leave the page and your preferences will stay active. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled the feature that allows others to discover your profile by your phone number on X. It's a simple but powerful way to make connecting with friends and colleagues faster and easier, especially if they already have your number saved. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to leave a like and check out more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.